Model 2015 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 1.6 Cdti sometimes runs, needs repair, fuel issue, no VAT. Body white, panel van. Mileage 197816. Engine 1598 cc 1.690 pse 5A. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: sometimes it starts and runs absolutely perfectly, other times does not create enough fuel pressure to start. If you give it easy start, it will start and sometimes run. This has a fuel pump problem, we believe. If you know what you're doing, it will be an easy fix. When it is running, the engine, clutch and gearbox are perfect. We have driven it. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable.